know that it would give me all of this. I didn't realize it would give me all of this. All of this good feeling. Why do you put wigs on and it's just magical? It's just like, oh, I feel alive. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, girl, hey, boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Y'all ready for these holidays? If you celebrate, if you don't, it's okay. But the holiday is tomorrow, and I don't know what wigs y'all got, but you might need this one for the next holiday. So today I will be telling you guys about the SleekLay part wig Brizella, and this wig was sent over by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on, tell y'all some specs, and talk about this wig. But again, the girl is smiling. She's smiling. You might not need to watch the review. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to talk to y'all in a little bit.
Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. I'm calling you now, just to make it through. Friends may come and friends may go, but you should know that I got your back. It's automatic, so never hesitate to go. 'Cause I'm your sister, and always for you. And don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning till the end. You've always been here right beside me, so I'll call you my best friend. Through the good times and the bad, 'cause whether I lose or if I win, I know one thing that never changes, and that's you and my best friend.
Alright guys, so we're back. I'm done putting on this wig. I love when a wig makes me excited, y'all. Like, I really do. So let me go ahead and give y'all some specs real quick. This is the Outre SleekLay part wig in the style Brizella. I have the color DRFF SUNKISS Brown. This wig was sent over by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. If you don't know about Wigtypes, what are you doing? People ask me where to get their wigs, and I get a lot of my wigs from Wigtypes. Their shipping is fast. And also, too, you can get other stuff on Wigtypes, too. You know, you can get all your essentials, you know, your sprays and your glues and all that good stuff. So it's basically a beauty supply store online, okay? So this wig is just coming with a standard lace part in the middle. It does come with a little bit of lace in the front. So if you want, you can melt this and kind of pull it up and get that effect. It says it has a HD transparent lace. It does have this high-tex fiber where you can curl it, but it's synthetic. We buy synthetics for a reason. It came like this. What are you curling? It says it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. I actually do like this hairline. I feel like it's a little bit more plucked than the most recent melted hairline collection. You can go in and pluck it up a little bit more if you need to because you have a little bit of lace here, but I didn't do any plucking. It came how it is, and that's how we're leaving it. It has natural baby hairs, and that is that. So I have reviewed a SleekLay part wig before. I did review the style Derby. That wig was flat. This wig is flat as well. So what that means is the wig is going to be flat, it's going to be sleek, it's going to be laying all the way down. If you guys did see, I did go in with a little bit of heat only because with packaging it got a little humpy, but this wig is flat. We like flat wigs. We like it to look like it's coming out of our scalp. So I do like that. This wig also comes in a lot of other beautiful colors, but the SunKiss Brown, I did get this one because there are a lot of reviews out on this wig and I haven't seen anybody really review this, and I was like, what this color look like? Y'all know I like my colors, and this color is hitting, y'all. This color is hitting. So I don't really like middle parts, but the reviews that have been out, everybody is murdering this wig. Every single person that reviews this wig loves this wig, and because I don't like middle parts, I was like, you know what, I don't know if I want to do this wig, but I'm glad I got this wig, y'all. The highlights on this wig are everything. The sun-kissness over here is just like giving me all kind of life. The brown on here is beautiful. The color blend, the blend. Outre gives us beautiful blends, y'all. Y'all know that. Look from the root to the brown. Are y'all appreciating that blend? Because I am. I'm appreciating this face frame and highlights in the front and these beautiful curls. This wig is everything. As far as the SleekLay part wig goes, I was a little bit skeptical with this one because I don't know why in my head I assumed that the SleekLay part wigs, the texture is always kind of silky and kind of like Barbie dolly. I don't know. Maybe it's because I did Darby, and then the ones that used to come out initially, those textures weren't that great, but this texture right here, y'all, this texture is everything. I'm getting a nice yak. I'm getting a nice light yaki with this. So what that means is this wig is gonna last. I am running my fingers very comfortably through this wig. All I did was go in with a little comb, could even finger comb these curls out and go. I did go in with a little bit of bed head right here only to secure it, but as you guys saw, you don't need to do that. I ain't even need to put no spray on this to hold this wig down. This wig is everything. This is a take out the pack and go eat Thanksgiving dinner wig, okay? This is the wig that you show up with when you don't plan on cooking. This is that wig. This is the wig that I'm y'all ready for the holidays? Because this is screaming, I'm here, I am ready, I'm ready to eat, okay? I'm not cooking because I'm melanin and I'm bougie, okay? I'm bougie. I'm just here to eat your food up. That's what this wig is screaming to me. I'm loving it. I'm really impressed. Because initially when I saw the stock card, it's cute, but I didn't know that it would give me all of this. I didn't realize it would give me all of this good feeling. Why do you put wigs on and it's just magical? It's just like, oh, I feel alive. I went outside, I took so many pictures, y'all. This wig is everything. I absolutely recommend this wig. I love the length on this wig. Like I said, I love the curls. The beauty about synthetic wigs is that you take it out the pack, you don't have to do much to it. You don't have to curl it. I didn't have to go to the salon and pay for this color. And what, for $40? This wig is about $43, like $43 and some change on Wigtypes. If you do choose to get a color, the specialty color, the price does go up by like $2, so keep that in mind. I usually don't like to tell people what they need to do with their life, but get this wig. Get this wig, y'all. This is a winner. This is one of those you need in your collection that's gonna last. And we need wigs that last. You know what I'm saying? The holidays are coming up. We need to save some money, so we need our wigs to last. So I love the fact that I was able to put this wig on and literally not have to do too much to it. Put a little bit of heat, put some powder, match the lace up. The lace is white, but you do have to match it to your complexion. But again, everybody wears wigs, not just my complexion, not just the melanin bougie people wear wigs. Everybody wears wigs. So match to your skin and you're gonna be all right. I've seen a lot of colors in this. All these colors that's on here, people been slaying them. They've been slaying them left and right. Everybody. There's not a color that I've seen disappoint. I like it. I'm in love. Even my husband said he liked this wig. Like, that's good. And I even want to go back and get another color. That's good too, because I don't like to buy multiple synthetic wigs. So many come out that I'm like, okay, on to the next one. But I definitely will be buying this one in another color. Probably a lot of colors. Outre, I think y'all should come out with this same style, but you know, for the people that don't really feel middle parts, go ahead and give us a left or a right side part, okay? We definitely gonna be feeling that. Yeah, we gonna be happy, okay? I'm showing up and I'm eating and looking cute. That's what I'm doing this week. I am showing up and eating. I had to work. I'm sorry I had to work, y'all. Put my wig on. Ooh, I look cute and I'm eating all your food. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you're feeling it. Hope everybody has a happy holiday if you do celebrate. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.